Trying to put your headband on? You want it up? There you go. What other color do you want to draw with?
Draw pencil?
Mm-hmm.
Draw.
That's very nice. Oh, not on the table.
Draw. Yes, husband?
No, just draw on paper. Have a sneeze.
No.
Have a sneeze again. Don't do that.
Yes, husband.
Oh, yes, you may, as long as you don't draw on it.
Draw in it.
Mm-hmm.
Draw in it.
Mm-hmm. Can you make your silly Eva face again? Can you do it again? Such a goose. Oh, that was a tiny one. What color is that?
Gold.
Yeah, it's your favorite, huh? Auntie Leah would be proud of that.
Aunt Leah proud of that.
Yeah, she would be.
She will be.
Yeah. What little baby does Auntie Leah have? What little baby does Auntie Leah have? Who does Auntie Leah have?
Have little tiny baby and toy.
Oh, Mama has a baby in her tummy. Auntie Leah has baby Clayton. Remember? Okay, I'm going to turn off the camera. You say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, too.
Very nice.